Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. You love Shani. It's me, Shani, your favorite Southern Belle with a cocktail. It's me. All right, y'all. So we do not have a cocktail today. This is Pineapple Crush. We just on the soda today, okay? We always start here. Pineapple soda is one of my favorites. If you are new here, please make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave lots of comments because I love the comments, and hit the bell to be notified every single time I, Shimmy Her, uploads a video and or go live. All right, y'all, so this is day 9 of the 12 Days of Christmas hosted by myself, You Love Chani, and the Mukbang B.U.L.S decided to join me, so I will float their names right here. Hey, y'all. It's the Mukbang B.U.L.S. Their links are always in the description box below every video. All right, y'all, so you can tell from the title, we have Philly Cheesesteak. This is a Mukbang B.U.L.S collab. We are all doing Philly Cheesesteak, and that's what we're doing today. All right, so I got Philly Cheesesteak with cheese, yellow bell peppers, green bell peppers, orange bell peppers, mushrooms. Yeah, I think that's it. A lot of people put mayo on theirs, but I don't put mayo on mine. All right, if you are not following me on my socials, they'll be floating around, as well as my website will be up here. All right, y'all. So I like Philly cheesesteak, but I don't like a lot of bread. So we're going to start off eating it the normal way. Y'all, when you get done watching this video, please make sure to go to the other Mukbang B.U.L.S as they are dropping Philly cheesesteak as well. Make sure to check out their channel. I already tore some of the bread off because I do not like a lot of bread, y'all. So we might start off. I got to catch all over there. Start out biting it like this. I dug a lot of the insides out too. Let's see if I can show y'all. I should have went this way. The design on the bread, and then I don't want my stuff to fall out. I got it packed tight. So you got the bell peppers, the meat, the cheese, the mushrooms, onions. Did I say onions? I don't think I said onions. Yeah, I see myself. That's why I brought a spoon. That bread. I can't do that bread. Yeah, my store, this is the closest thing I can find to hoagie bread. Oh, yeah. It's good, but I don't like a lot of bread. That's a lot of bread. So, yeah. That's why I brought a spoon, because I'm going to end up digging it out. And that's that on that. It's good, though. The inside's good. I got to tell you about sour cream and onion chips in the back here. So, yeah, this is the bread that I had to get because my store, no hoagie bread, nowhere. Nowhere. Only hot dog. So, I had to go to the bakery, get some rolls, and make a hoagie just for the presentation. So, y'all can keep looking at this one. Right here. That's for y'all anyway. One for me and one for y'all. And I'm going to just eat this open face because I can't, y'all. I can't. So how is your day going? If you are watching this, that means it is Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, y'all. Tipsy Tuesday. That's good. These are homemade Philly cheesesteak. It's good. Now, the last one I had from American Deli, it was good. It just didn't have enough meat. So, when we were discussing this on the conference call, I said, oh, I guess I will make mine. So I did. It's just the bread. The bread is too much. The kids loved it though. The printer got on. Y'all probably hear them moving around upstairs. Right. Yeah, please make sure to have your bell on for our live. We go live on Tuesdays. And we done. You see that bell pepper? Oh, all my stuff fell off. But I got the strips. Like authentic. I just can't eat that bread, y'all. I can't do it. Onion. Mushrooms. That is so good. So y'all tell me what y'all like on y'all Philly cheesesteak. Do you like bell peppers, onions, mushrooms, like shredded cheese? What kind of cheese? A lot of people put provolone on here. I've seen it with nacho cheese poured on here. I like it like that too. It's cheese on the bottom too, y'all. I put cheese on the bottom and look at that. Look at that cheese pull. Cheese on the bottom and the top. Look at all that cheese, y'all. If you hear yelling, I already know. Somebody playing the game in here. You hear random yelling, somebody playing the game in here. So y'all, have y'all been enjoying the 12 days of Christmas? You only got a few more days left. That is good. I can keep that bread though. Cheers. So these items, all of these items are from the grocery haul. Did you watch the grocery haul from yesterday on Monday? If you didn't, go back and watch it, please. Operation clear the refrigerator out, then fill it back up. That's so crazy. That is. Y'all be looking for some more bangers, because we look at that. Bell pepper. Looking for some more bangers, because we still going strong with the 12 days of Christmas. Did y'all notice I dropped 2 videos in one day? Y'all had so many issues with that steak and crab video. So many issues with that, but I pushed through and I just put it up. I did. I just put it up. So thank y'all for watching that one. Then I dropped the grocery haul. So we are dropping videos back to back to back to back to back to back. What kind of chips y'all like? I love sour cream and onion. Like love. It's good, y'all. Peanut Gallery ate all bread, so I'm assuming to a regular person. I don't want to say that I'm not regular, but look at that cheese, y'all. But to some people who like bread, they ate all bread. But I'm not a bread fan, so there's that. Let's go. Oh, do you like the traditional beef Philly cheesesteak or do you like a chicken? Because I know people order chicken Phillies too. I think that's what I'll try next. A chicken Philly. There's that on that? good. So Mondays, which is today in real time, Mondays are my regular off days, but you know how your off day is not your off day? Because it is filled with everything that you can't do while you're working. All your errands, all your grocery shopping. So my Monday is full of stuff that I gotta do that I can't do when your girl is working. Okay. So yeah. I don't know why I brought this look glass. No idea. So yeah, my off days are not off days. They're not. I'll put that off to the side. Bring this one. Yeah, I'm not gonna be before you long. Look at this one, y'all. I don't even think I'm gonna eat this. I know my son gonna want it. You can see the mushrooms. Let me see if you can see the mushrooms on here. It's pretty. Yeah, I could drink this. I could kill that. I'm going to eat a little bit of this one. I'm going to get out y'all way. I do want y'all to have a chance to get go over and watch the other Mukbang B.U.L.S and their version of the Philly cheesesteak, because I know they bringing the heat, okay? Anytime we do a collab, this whole 12 days of Christmas is a collab between us four, as well as this Philly cheesesteak. This is one of the days where we will be all eating the same thing. It's not many because we freestyling, but this is one of the days. I get the mushroom in now. It's good. It's really good. It's really good. Okay, y'all. Y'all, we are on the road to 5K. So please help us get there. I can't remember how far away we are, but not that far. So please help us get there. I gotta put that mushroom. Yeah, this is the mushrooms for me. I love mushrooms. Make sure you check out the other Mukbang B.U.L.S. Their links are always, always, always in the description box below in every video. This is probably a short one, but day 9, we out of here. We gone. Oh, yeah. Let me not ever forget to say thank you for watching. And if I do forget, it's up here. Thank you guys for watching. It is your favorite Southern Belle with a cocktail. I am out. I'm going, you guys. Thank y'all for watching. Bye-bye. Go watch the other Mukbang B.U.L.S. because we done here. I'll see y'all tomorrow for day 10. We out. Bye-bye.